What up, guys? I'm Tyler.
I know, I'm Ollie.
And today we'll be showing you how to make a water bottle Nerf gun. Ollie will take it from here, and I'll be back.
Hey guys! So today I'm going to show you how to make a Nerf gun. Well, I have it all preparated. So you can have any colours. But I specifically look better with me for blue and black. And then you have to have 2 springs, something to hold the springs and something to hold it down so it doesn't go all the way down. And then you push it. Push it. You ready, folks? And then you pop it. Alrighty? That's about, and you can pick any colours you want. I did that, and it's all melted in together. And if you have something shorter, it will work. The only reason I went with the water bottle, so it looks better. Yeah, that's why I went with a water bottle. And major shout out to Share the Love. They inspired us to do this.
I'm back.
Yeah. Tom, who's your shout out to?
Oh, my shout out's to Totally TV.
Yeah. And so you can share this up to tomorrow with our brand new video.
Peace out.
Peace out.